Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Fiat 500. First, gather your safety gear like gloves and eye protection, and ensure you have a good set of jumper cables. Make sure both the dead Fiat 500 and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off before you do anything else. Position the assisting car close enough so the cables can reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Fiat 500 dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Fiat 500, away from the battery. This acts as a ground. Now, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Fiat's battery before you try to start it. Once your Fiat 500 starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. First the black clamp from the ground, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally the red from your Fiat. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to recharge. Remember to check the description below for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.